The toucan, known for its vibrant appearance, boasts fascinating features. Its large, colorful beak, which can grow up to half the length of its body, serves a dual purpose. Contrary to its size, the beak is surprisingly light due to its hollow structure. Interestingly, this beak helps the toucan regulate its body temperature and attract mates. Additionally, while the beak appears formidable, it is relatively delicate and primarily used for feeding on fruits and insects. Overall, the toucan's distinct beak is a remarkable adaptation in the avian world.